Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Mesh System AX3000, and now I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset of this device using Xiaomi Mi Home application. Okay, firstly open Xiaomi Mi Home and here choose your Xiaomi Mesh System. Then scroll down and find here Restore Router to Factory Settings. Click on this button and click Configure. And that's it. Now just wait until devices reboots. And then you will need to set up it from Welcome Creator to creating a new Wi-Fi networks. As you can see, Xiaomi Mesh System was removed from my Xiaomi Home application, so then you will need to add it to Xiaomi Mi Home application again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.